Upgrading your windows is one of the best investments you can make to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. But if you've never gone through the process before, the idea of replacing windows can feel overwhelming. This guide will walk you through what to expect during a window installation in Frederick, from start to finish, so you can feel confident every step of the way. Pre-installation planning. Before any work begins, a professional installer will typically visit your home for a consultation and to take precise measurements. This ensures the new windows are a perfect fit, minimizing drafts and structural issues. At this stage, you'll finalize your window choices, such as styles, materials, and features, and schedule a convenient installation date. You'll also receive clear instructions on how to prepare your home. This may include removing curtains, blinds, or shutters, moving furniture at least 3 feet from the windows, disabling security sensors, clearing outdoor access around the work area. A proper preparation streamlines the process and protects your belongings. The arrival of the installation crew. On installation day, expect a prompt arrival from a uniformed, professional team. Reputable companies in Frederick will take measures to protect your home, such as laying down drop cloths, wearing protective shoe coverings, minimizing dust and debris. They will begin by confirming the window sizes and layout one last time to ensure everything matches the work order. Communication is key, and a lead technician will likely walk you through the day's plan. Removing the old windows. The crew will carefully remove your existing windows one by one. This process involves unfastening the window from the frame, removing trim and caulking, and checking for any hidden structural damage. If any issues such as rotted wood or water damage are discovered, the installer will inform you and recommend repairs before proceeding. Installing the new windows. Each new window is installed with precision to ensure a tight seal and perfect fit. The team will place the new window into the opening level and shim it for stability. Secure it with screws or nails. Apply weatherproof flashing and insulation. After installation, the trim and molding are replaced or reinstalled to restore the interior look. On the outside, the installer will apply fresh caulking to create a weather-tight barrier. Quality checks and cleanup. Once all windows are in place, the crew will perform a thorough inspection. They'll test for proper operation, make sure each window opens and locks smoothly, and ensure seals are airtight. Afterward, they will clean up the work area, removing any debris, dust, or leftover materials. Many companies in Frederick pride themselves on leaving your home as clean as they found it, sometimes even cleaner. Final walkthrough and care instructions. Before leaving, the installer will walk you through the final product and answer any questions. You'll receive a demonstration of how to open, tilt, and lock the new windows, tips for routine cleaning and maintenance, warranty information and customer support contacts. You may also be asked to inspect the installation and sign off on completion to confirm satisfaction. What you shouldn't worry about. While it's normal to expect a little noise and some temporary inconvenience, rest assured that a skilled team can replace most windows in 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows and any unexpected repairs. You don't need to leave your home. Just give the crew space to work and be mindful of pets and children near the installation zones. Enjoy the results. Once your window installation in Frederick is complete, you'll immediately start to notice the benefits: quieter rooms, reduced drafts, lower energy bills, and enhanced curb appeal. With the right professionals by your side, replacing your windows is a smooth, rewarding experience that enhances your home's comfort and value for years to come.